I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking essentials: device model, Android and app versions, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, back up any in-app drafts or playlists you care about. Now, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow YouTube. Force stop the app to kill lingering processes, then clear the cache to remove temporary files that commonly cause crashes. Make sure to relaunch the app immediately after clearing cache to test whether the crash persists. If a cache clear didn't fix it, clear app data to reset YouTube to default. You'll need to sign back into your Google account, so keep credentials ready. Next, uninstall updates to revert to the factory app, then reinstall the latest version from the Play Store to ensure a clean install. Also check for system updates and look for recently installed apps that could conflict. Free at least 500 MB to 1 GB of storage to avoid resource-related crashes. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up photos, messages, and account data first. That step erases everything. Before wiping, test YouTube on the web and with a different Google account to determine whether the problem is account-specific or device level. If the app still crashes after a reset, collect logs via Android's bug report or use Logcat, then contact Google support with the model, Android, and app versions and logs. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.